Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. This is Rami here and welcome to Rami DIY. Today I'm going to try and restore some faded paint on the back of my car on the bumper using very famous products, the Meguiars Ultimate Compound, and following that with Meguiars Ultimate Polish and see how it will restore the paint and give it the shine again. As you know, my car is black and the previous owner had placed some rubber mat, a protective mat, over the bumper here to protect it, but after time the glue of this protective rubber came off and left some residues here. As you can see these lines, paint is faded here, some glue residue or the adhesive they used. So I'm going to give it a polish, compound then followed by polish with a hand drill using foam pads. This is a medium foam pad, and then for the polish I'm gonna use a soft foam pad. Let's put things into action and see the results. Okay, starting with the Ultimate Compound, just put 4 each size of the product. Because the pad is new, I'm going to use some card and try to immerse the foam pad with the product so it absorb all the product. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just doing this for the first time. After that we're just gonna use small size just to make it soft. Okay, I think that's fine. Now just put small bit of that. Then now just start with the slow speed to distribute the product across the area, and then increase the speed a little bit. Right, once done, grab a clean microfiber towel. Wipe it off. Let's see. Still seeing some marks, but the surface has become very smooth. Alright, let's now switch the pad to the soft pad and try polishing it. Alright, after applying 2 passes of the polishing product, the paint shines very well now. It's hard to see the fading spots. I can still see some of them, but they have improved very much. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it another couple of more passes of the polish. It enhances the surface very well, and maybe also applying some wax afterwards will bring the paint again, will make it revive. Alright guys, here are the tests of the compound, ultimate compound and ultimate polish from Meguiars. I'm going to leave some links to these products in the description. Go check them out. They definitely did a good job on the bumper of the car. My plan with these products, this was just a test today. My plan with these products to go over the whole car to remove all the swirl marks and some light scratches from the car, and I'm gonna follow them with a liquid ceramic wax, also from Meguiar. I haven't opened that yet, never tested it yet, so stay tuned for the next video while I'm gonna go all the car with these two products, and also with the liquid ceramic wax from Meguiar to give it protection and sealant. And also the foam pads, these are very well made foam pads, and they work with any hand drill, and they can also work with polishing machine, to action polishing machine. So I'm gonna leave a link to the description. Also I'm gonna post a full review video about these, so make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out when I post those videos. Thanks for watching.